The other day, my Nintendo Switch wouldn't turn on and I couldn't figure out why. I tried using different power cables, pressing the power button. I just wasn't sure what was going on. That was until I came across a Nintendo Switch support article that taught me how to perform what's called a hard reset. So I'm going to show you how you can do a hard reset for your Switch in this video. What I'm going to do is press and hold the power button for about 20 seconds and then let go. Then press the power button once more, and then your Switch will turn on just like normal. Nothing's deleted. It will work properly. So that's how you perform a hard reset for your system. Did you know you could send Nintendo Switch screenshots and video clips to your smartphone? First, enter the album and select any screenshot or video clip. Press A and click Send to Smartphone. Scan the first QR code you see using your smartphone and tap its yellow icon. It may take a second for your smartphone to connect to your Switch. Once it does, go back to your Switch and scan the second QR code you see and select its corresponding yellow icon. From there, you could either download or share the Nintendo Switch screenshot or clip you selected. The new Nintendo Switch firmware allows you to create folders for your games, and I'm going to show you how to create one in this video. So on the home screen, start off by scrolling all the way to the right and click on All Software. And when you get there, press the L button to create a group. Click Create New Group. Then choose the games you want for this folder. You can then arrange the titles based on how you would like them to appear when you access your folders, and then you can give the folder a name. Whenever you want to access these folders, just go back to the All Software screen and click the L button, and you'll see your folders or groups right there. Hope this tip helps. If you'd like to see more of these Nintendo Switch tutorials, please let me know. Please follow Blood Moon Bobby on TikTok for more videos on the Nintendo Switch. Oh, what's that? Oh, I've been playing Sin and Punishment using the Bluetooth headphones that are connected to my Switch. Have you been wondering how to connect wireless headphones to your Switch? First, make sure your Bluetooth headphones are in pairing mode, and then on your Switch, go to System Settings and scroll all the way down to Bluetooth Audio, then click Pair Device. Give it a second for your Switch to find your wireless headphones. Once it does, select the name of your Bluetooth headphones and they should pair to your Switch. Once the connection is complete, you'll get a notice saying that when you're using Bluetooth audio, you can connect up to 2 wireless controllers to your console, and also Bluetooth audio will be disconnected if you're using local communication on your Nintendo Switch. So I hope this tip helps, and I hope it gives you a good experience for playing games like Sin and Punishment.